Hi friends, today we are going to make some easy cheesy nachos. We will need nachos, grated cheese, chopped onions and bell peppers. We put our nachos in an oven-proof dish or plate. Now we will put some onions and bell peppers. We will put some grated cheese on top. The cheese is a mixture of mozzarella and cheddar cheese. Mozzarella cheese will melt better and cheddar cheese will give us the sharpness. Wow, that's a lot of cheese. I'm sure this is going to be yummy. Now I will give it to my mom for baking. Now I bake it in a preheated oven at 200 degrees for 10 to 12 minutes. It's done. Time to try it. Yes, we did it. Please like and subscribe my channel Tiffin Tales.